2008 LandRover LR2 3.2 liter. So we've got a no click, no start, push a button and all you hear is click, click. Sounds like it's coming from under the shifter, it's coming from the starter. Starter's bad, relay or solenoid's bad. You can bring it in. I just brought mine in at O'Reilly's. They tested it. Sure enough, it was bad. We're gonna go underneath here. Sorry, I don't know how to pause it. It's really simple. Take the panel off. Right there is like 8 bolts. Then we're going underneath here. 2 bolts. And then those 2 nuts there for the positive and negative ground. That's it. Simple. Not rocket science. Thanks.